Hello and welcome to Nuri. Nuri is fully self-custodial Bitcoin wallet, meaning you own your Bitcoin, and it is protected through your biometrics and an external hardware security key that is also protected with your fingerprint. It's a smart card. Yeah, we have different version. It's a card that when you put your finger on the card, only when it recognizes your finger, your card will be also recognized from the phone when you tap it on the phone. We have other models like normal smart cards, which you can also tap where you have to enter a PIN. So these are different pricings, but what they do is they protect your Bitcoin and your money through an external hardware security, biometric hardware security key. So I demonstrate you how this works. So Nuri is not only a Bitcoin wallet. Yeah, what you can do in Nuri is you can send and receive Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin, but you also get inside the Nuri app a virtual card. This virtual card you can add to Apple Pay, yeah, and then you can pay in the store with your phone, yeah, like you are used to it. And the card is special because the way how you add money to the card is you just simply send Bitcoin to the address of the card. So you go to your wallet, you say send, you paste the address of your card. Later we can also make a one-click solution. You say you want to have 20 euro top up on your card, you confirm the amount, and then you confirm the transaction. So most wallets, they do here Face ID or something like this, but when you are in a situation where somebody maybe wants your money, Face ID is maybe not the best thing to do because they could just hold it in front of your face. So with an external hardware security key, you actually have to have this key with your fingerprint. You have to touch it against the phone, and only then, like you see right now in the background, the transaction gets signed and the Bitcoin gets sent. So you have external hardware security, and it also does another thing. It actually protects your Bitcoin private key. So if somebody try to hack or access your phone, and if they are able to do this, they will only find an encrypted Bitcoin private key that is encrypted with this external hardware security key. So here in the background, the sending in the testnet just currently takes a short while because my internet connection is not so good. But basically, the transaction is built right now and sent to the Nuri card. So once it's out and sent, yeah, we're gonna see it in our transaction overview. We can go on the blockchain and see how many confirmation it has, and we can also top up the card with other cryptocurrencies if we want. So it supports not only Bitcoin, but if you have someone who wants to send you USDC, for example, you get an address where somebody can send money to, and this address will automatically be credited on your card. When you have money on your card, like here, 93 euro, like I have right now, I can also just swap it back to Bitcoin. And when I do this, I actually buy Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin comes into my self-custodial wallet. So Nuri never has your Bitcoin. Only you have your Bitcoin, only accessible with your biometrics and your card. The way how you do it is extremely simple. You just go on the buy Bitcoin screen and you basically swap it back into the euro. So here you can see now the transaction that was hanging is now pending on the blockchain. Yeah, so we can actually check this on the blockchain and see as soon as this transaction is confirmed, the card will be topped up with 20 euro. So thank you for listening, and I hope you like what we have built.